You must give me your heart, yo.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I said welcome and don't forget to subscribe. If you're coming back, I say thank you. Well, today we're gonna attempt this style. Even though we have no edges, guys, don't let those edges keep you back. Get the styles going and keep trying. Don't look at your edges and think I can't do it, guys. So that's why I'm doing this video today, just to let you know that even though you have no edges like mine, girl, you've got to try it. Yes, guys, just give it a try. Don't worry about those edges, just try these styles and let me know how you get on with it. So product I've used in this video is just my shea butter to moisturize my hair, and then my styling gel, and then some extensions. So I'm just gonna shut up and let you watch this video and just try these styles, guys. Please go on, give it a try. We don't want to be limited to what we can do with our hair because of our edges. No, who does that? Just give it a try, guys. Enjoy this video, and if you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. If you didn't see what I was doing in the start of the video because I was rumbling a lot, just go back to the video and watch it, guys. Thanks for watching, and thanks for the like and subscribe. Please share the video if you've got somebody, a friend or a family that's got this tiny edges, guys. Share the video and let them know they can also achieve these styles and still look fabulous, guys, without edges. Yes, guys, so that's why I did this video. I know my edges were horrible, but these styles are achievable when you give it a try, guys. Look at that face when she's happy. Yes, guys, can you see that edges? Yes, guys, anyway, let's just pretend we've got edges and slay these styles. Anyway, let's get on. Let's move on. Just the next style I did, I just braided the hair and then I hold it with a hairband. You can leave it like this if you want. No, just joking. So I just went ahead and wrapped it around my small bun and then just pin it down with some bobby pins, and yes, there we go. Another hairstyle with just braiding hair and some pins, shea butter to moisturize your hair or whatever moisturizer you use for your hair, and get your gel, whatever gel you can find. Don't worry about your edges, girls. Get that ponytail or whatever you call these styles going, girl. Let's get it done. It's 2018 and who cares about edges, guys. Thanks for watching again, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. And if you're back to my channel, guys, thank you for watching.